Hello everyone! Come with me as I share my rhinoplasty journey. Today is rainy day!
Exciting!
Woo! Bangunos no more. Ayan, so alam ng lahat ng close sa akin na gusto ko na talaga magpa-rhinoplasty matagal na. Pero ayun nga, after my online consultation last December 13, nakapagpasked ako ng December 18. So it's just a matter of 5 days apart. And this was my sister's initial reaction when I told her na I have my schedule na and it's finally happening. Mamimiss daw niya yung nose ko at hindi na raw niya ako kapatid. Super excited at may halong kaba. And yun nga, fast forward, it's my surgery day. I had to fast starting 6 a.m. kahit 2 p.m. pa yung aking surgery. I had to do my lab tests because I will be sedated. And before my surgery, I was able to have my facial para malinis yung face. And of course, this day won't happen without the support of Arya. Talagang andyan siya all throughout. And during this time, I'm really nervous but more of excited. So, talagang halo-halo yung na-feel ko. Feeling ko nga tumaas yung blood pressure ko dahil sa excitement at kaba. But sabi nga ni Doc, inassure naman niya ako na wala akong mararamdamang pain. And, yan na nga. That's after my surgery. Medyo namaga talaga yung nose ko even after. At makikita nyo dyan para akong si Pinocchio. Kasi super paga, especially yung bridge and super groggy. Actually po, nagsuka ako after ng surgery and it's normal rin naman to dahil nga ng anesthesiang tinurok sa akin. So, super paga, nagko-cold compress ako niyan. And after that, hinatid na ako ni Arya and Patrick, thanks again sa bahay. So, tinuloy ko lang po yung cold compress and the next day, I had arroz caldo for my breakfast kasi kailangan ko uminom na antibiotics for 7 days so kailangan may laman ng tiyan. Thanks to my mom for preparing this for me. And yung lunch ko, nag-order lang ako ng salad kasi hindi ko talaga kayang mag-rice niyan. Pero nahirapan din ako ibuka yung bibig ko sa pagkain ng salad. Literal, the struggle is real. Pero the main struggle pa rin for me, yung pinakamahirap is yung pagtulog talaga kasi I was advised to sleep nang nakaupo to avoid swelling. So talagang neck pillow yung kakampi ko all throughout. At bilang taong gala, nakalabas pa po tayo. Thankfully, wala akong naging major swelling sa eyes and face. Pero meron tayong mga bruising. Kung makikita nyo po under my eyes, yung yellowish, yan po yung mga naging effect sa akin ng aking rhino. And I was advised na first 48 hours cold compress, then the following will be warm compress. Punta na rin po akong SM. Nag-date po kami ng nanay ko to watch Avatar. And kung makikita nyo po, nag-try ako mag-video kaya titinginan ako ng tao. And I'm really proud na nag-undergo ako ng rhinoplasty. Hindi ko kinahiya. Hindi na ako nag-mask kasi mas masakit sa tenga kasi may ear cartilage was used for my tip. Kaya may sugat din po ako sa tenga. And this was my, I think, day 4 post-op. Yung face ko po, hindi ko alam kung paga o malaki lang talaga. Pero, ayan. Totally wala namang pain talaga, more on pressure yung nafe-feel ko. Nadarama ko na ang lamig ng hangin. Naririnig ko pa maliliit na tinig. It's day 7, Merry Christmas! Bawal po yung ginawa ko, wag na po gagayahin. Suture removal. Aside po sa sutures removal, nilinis na rin ni Doc yung sugat at yung nose ko kaya I'm so happy. So ito po yung naalis na yung cast, talagang pagapa siya pero pak na po. Bridge over troubled water no more, diba? Overall, my rhinoplasty journey was really worth it. I'm really happy with the results. Today is my 15th day post-op at talagang I'm really happy. Sabi nga ni Doc, medyo mabilis daw ako mag-heal and mabilis nawawala yung swelling ko. Pero mas maililiit pa daw to kaya I'm really excited. But the usual full healing should be 6 months to 1 year. Kaya talagang trust the process and patience. So ayun, for those who have questions, don't be shy to PM me kung may questions kayo. And hopefully, marami kayong nakuhang learnings about my rhinoplasty journey. Once again, Happy New Year everyone and have a blessed 2026. Thank you!